In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GIFs to your Shopify store. Adding a GIF is a great way to make your store feel more dynamic, highlight a promotion, or draw attention to a specific section of your page. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the whole process step by step, using Shopify's theme editor and a small piece of code. Don't worry if you're not technical. I'll explain everything in simple terms as we go. First, log into your Shopify admin and head to the online store section. From there, click on themes. Find the theme you want to edit, then open the theme editor. Depending on your theme, this will usually be labeled as customize or edit theme. This takes you into the visual editor, where you can add and rearrange sections of your store. On the left-hand panel, look for the option to add a new section. Click Add Section, then choose the section type called Custom Liquid. This section lets you insert a small block of code into your page, which is exactly what we'll use to display the GIF. After adding the Custom Liquid section, click on it to open the settings. You'll see a text box where you can paste the code. Paste in the same code shown in the original guide or video. If you're following along with a reference on your screen, feel free to pause so you can clearly see and copy the code accurately. This code is what tells Shopify to display your GIF as a background image. Next, open a new tab and search for the GIF you want to use. You can use any GIF host that provides a direct link to the image. Once you find a GIF you like, copy its link or URL. Go back to your Shopify theme editor and locate the part of the code where it says background image, followed by parentheses. Paste the GIF link inside those parentheses, between the quotation marks if they're there. As soon as you do this, look at the preview on the right side of the editor. You should see your GIF appear as part of the section. If the GIF looks too large or too small, you can adjust its size by editing the number next to height in the code. Increasing the number makes the section taller, and decreasing it makes it shorter. Make small changes and watch the preview update until it looks right for your design. When you're happy with how the GIF looks and behaves, don't forget to click Save. This publishes your changes so visitors to your store will see the new animated section.